Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your travel insurance with World Nomads detailed guide step by step clearly. To start configuring your travel insurance with World Nomads, visit their official website. On the homepage, look for the Get a Quote button and click on it. Choose the type of insurance you need, either for a single trip or for annual coverage. Enter your trip details, including your travel dates and destination. Next, provide information about your age and any additional travelers. Select the coverage options that best suit your needs. Consider including adventure sports or activities, as these often require extra coverage. Review the limits and excess fees for each option carefully. Once you're satisfied, click on the Get a Quote button to see your personalized quote. The quote will display various plans along with prices and coverage details. Compare the plans to find one that aligns with your budget and travel requirements. When you decide on a plan, click on the Buy Now button to proceed. Fill out the necessary personal information, ensuring accuracy. Review the policy details and the terms and conditions before proceeding. If you agree, click on the Acknowledgement box to confirm your acceptance. Next, enter your payment information to finalize the purchase. After completing your payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your policy details. Make sure to download or save a copy of your policy for easy access. If you have any questions, reach out to World Nomads customer support for assistance. Now you're ready to travel with peace of mind knowing you're covered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.